Have you ever wondered how interventional cardiologists guide tiny catheters through the heart's arteries without causing harm? Today, we'll quickly break down key points from the Mayo Clinic Interventional Cardiology Review 2021, a top resource with 45 videos and 102 PDFs designed for medical, nursing, and pharmacy students. First, understanding coronary artery anatomy is crucial. These arteries supply oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle, and when blocked, they cause chest pain or heart attacks. Interventional cardiologists use catheters inserted through the femoral or radial artery to reach these blockages safely. Next, balloon angioplasty inflates a small balloon to open clogged arteries, and stents, tiny mesh tubes, are placed to keep them open. Drug-eluting stents release medication to prevent the artery from narrowing again. This course uses real cases and visuals that help you connect theory to practice, making it easier to master these complex procedures. If you want the full Mayo Clinic package with all videos, PDFs, and quizzes to deepen your understanding and boost your clinical skills, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your classmates who want to excel in cardiology. Your journey to mastering interventional cardiology starts now.